Assalamu alaikum developers, welcome back to the third lesson of HTML. Today we will talk about lists of HTML. We have four kinds of lists that we always use in HTML. First one is unordered list. So let's see how unordered list works in HTML. So we will use UL for unordered list. You can see the definition if you drag your mouse over here. The UL element represents a list of items where the order of the items is not important. So if you want to make a list but you don't need any order of items, so you can use UL, means unordered list. So here we have some items over here. So press LI. So here's the shortcut if you want to use for 3 or 4 items in a list. So press for example we have only 3 items in a list, so LI shift 8 means star and 3. Hit the enter button. Yeah, you can see the three list of items. You can write anything if you want. For example, I will use fruit cereal ROT carrot. Sorry, not carrot. Okay, whatever. I will use here orange. I will write orange. I will type orange and I will type. Okay, these are something mango. Mango. I will change it to apple. Okay, so if you had if you run it, press 5. Yes, okay, Chrome. Let's wait for a while. Now these are some the unordered list, means we don't need any arrangement of these. So this is unordered list. If you want to write something before these, for example I will write in bold B fruits. Refresh it, check it. Fruits, apple, orange. So these are this is the unordered list. So we have some types over here if you want to use it. For example, uh, I will use it in a style. Okay, and I will say list style type over here. You can see now these are the 4 styles things. So how many what we use over here, how many of them we use in our daily life? First of all, we can use none. If you make it none and run it, this is not, there is nothing. Okay, so no option over here, no circles, no. And second one is circle, that we use most of them. Most of time we use circle. You can see this one. And square, this one. These are the some types that we use. Most of them are, if you can't, the simple one is UL, the dark circle. Okay, so after that we will use okay, so after UL is another list, order list. Means if you could drag your mouse over here, you can see the OL element represent a list of items where the items have been intentionally ordered such that the changing order would change the meaning of the document. So it means that you have some specific order of your items, so you can use order list instead of an order list. So here same thing, li steric 3 items. I will use a same like fruits over here. I will copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Hey, now you can see like this. Run it and you can see fruits 1 2 3. Okay, so if you want to use some types over here like we use over there, so you can use inner ol for direct type and see these are the some types that we can use in on order list. For example, if you want to order in 1 2 3 like by default 1 2 3 same, and if you want to change it into something, for example we start with a, you see ABC and so on for italic I, sorry, the Roman. This is the order list. So here's one thing, if you want to, for example, we have two order list. Let's see. And I start this, for example, with a banana and some other fruits, like I think something and kiwi, let's say. If you run it, for example, I will change the type to one. That's one. So you can see, oh shit, well, okay, close it. If you can see this, here's the fruits 1 2 3, here's the fruits 1 2 3. So if you want to start it, for example, from 4, so you can type over here start, click, and here is 1 2 3. So I want to start it from 4, click, run it. See 1 2 3, and these are fruits again 4 5 6. I mean, yes, there is something break and you want to write something between these two, so you can start again from the fruits by number. Okay, so you can also change, for example, if you want to start this banana from the okay, not here, I will start from here, value, and I can start from example, it is the 4, banana is 4, I will start it from directly to 7. Banana is 4, but I have started from 7 8. It means we don't have the items 5 and 6, we directly started from 7 8. So this is how it works from the start and value. Third one is the description list. Description list means want to something to describe, for example, okay, DL description list. Okay, every, for example, if you drag your mouse over here, the description element represents situation list a consists of 0 non. Okay, so description layers have always something data terms, and data terms means that you have described them. So these are data terms. For example, dt data term is, I will type here is coffee something, I think, and now I will describe this term. So I will describe, so dd, daddy, dd, not daddy, and something I will paste over here. What kind of coffee we have? Milk with sugar, something, or milk and sugar, and another one, only milk. Let's see. If I run this, now you can see milk and sugar or coffee something. If you want another DT's description term, for example, here I will type tea, and I have to describe this tea, what kind of tea we have. So dd, I will type over here green tea, and I will type over here black tea, let's say. So if you run it, you can see coffee, milk with sugar, tea, and green tea, blah blah blah. Okay, so the last one is nested. The last one is nested list. So what do we do in nested list? For example, if you have a list in a list, I will use order list. I will use some list of items, let's say 2. These are the list of items, and I will use same thing like coffee, and a coffee have a list too. So we will do over here, press for example the closing tag. Before the closing tag, here the enter, and use the ul over here. So if you have used li, after ul use li space 2, let's say, and I will use this thing, milk and sugar. Let's say milk and sugar, and I see milk. So if you run it, you can see coffee, milk and sugar, and this is also, it's changed itself by default. You can see coffee and milk, sugar, these things are also changed with ul. And if I make another one list, for example teat, and before the closing tag, hit the enter and type over here ul, we will use ul or ol in li, between li, okay? So not before. For example, do not do it after closing tick, always use before closing tick, okay? So I will use li steric 2, and I will type over here something, let me arrange this, okay? Li green tea and black tea. So run it, refresh it, and you can see the coffee, milk, sugar, milk, tea, green tea, black tea, and so on. So you can use the unordered list, order list, and unordered list, and unordered list into in order list, whatever you can mix up these things. These are some lists that we always use in HTML. First is unordered list, second is order list, and third one is description list, and the fourth one is nested list. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.